Under the innovative leadership of Elon Musk, speculation is rife regarding an ambitious new initiative that could revolutionize personal transportation. Although no official announcements have been made, leaked concept designs and insider information indicate that Tesla is investigating the development of a high-tech hoverboard utilizing magnetic levitation, advanced stabilization systems, and next-generation battery technology. Leveraging Tesla's established expertise in electric propulsion and safety engineering, this hoverboard aims to surpass the limitations of earlier models. It is designed to provide up to 20 minutes of uninterrupted flight on a single charge, accommodate loads of up to 243 pounds, and incorporate adaptive terrain navigation along with comprehensive safety measures. Could this represent a significant advancement in sustainable futuristic transportation, or is it merely another ambitious idea from Musk? Regardless, it is a narrative worth following. Elon Musk's optimistic perspective on artificial intelligence is well known, and Tesla has consistently transformed the extraordinary into the ordinary. From reinventing electric vehicles to successfully landing reusable rockets and deploying AI-driven robots. With a compact flying hoverboard on the horizon, Tesla is not merely pursuing science fiction fantasies, it is actively creating them. This initiative aligns with the company's history, as the Cybertruck, Optimus robot, and Dojo supercomputer have already pushed technological boundaries. A hoverboard powered by Tesla's battery and AI capabilities seems like a natural progression in modern mobility. While competitors such as Hendo and Arboard have garnered attention, Tesla possesses the scale, technology, and ambition necessary to bring this innovation to the mainstream. As Elon Musk has previously stated, excelling in real-world AI is crucial, and Tesla stands at the forefront of this field. If anyone is capable of making personal flight a practical reality, it is Tesla, and this hoverboard could very well be their next significant breakthrough. This document presents a comprehensive technical analysis that emphasizes the essential factors for prospective users, particularly those in the US market, focusing on safety, performance, and usability. Before exploring the three primary requirements for the Tesla hoverboard, it is important to assess the design and pricing of the Tesla flying hoverboard. Does it genuinely fulfill the promise of practical everyday use? The hoverboard embodies Tesla's minimalist design philosophy, available in space gray, glacier white, and a matte deep black finish, each featuring a soft touch texture that resists fingerprints and scratches. Subtle LED accents encircle the base, serving both aesthetic and functional roles. The adaptive lighting alters color based on battery level, system status, or riding mode, providing users with immediate visual feedback. Every aspect of the design prioritizes user experience. The footpads are equipped with memory foam cushioning and pressure-sensitive grip surfaces, ergonomically shaped to support a natural stance and minimize fatigue. Integrated gyroscopic stabilizers maintain balance without sacrificing flexibility, while retractable handles seamlessly blend into the body. When not in use, a minimalist OLED display at the center provides real-time metrics, including speed, battery percentage, wind resistance, and obstacle alerts. Voice control integrated with the Tesla app enables users to adjust settings seamlessly. The hoverboard's undercarriage is meticulously designed. Existing technologies can now achieve 5 times their current utility through simple software updates, without any additional costs. Although Tesla has not yet officially revealed the retail price for its forthcoming hoverboard, industry estimates, considering material costs, technological integration, and Tesla's existing pricing strategy, suggest a price range between $5,000 and $8,000. While this may initially appear high, it is surprisingly competitive when compared to current market alternatives. For example, the Arcaboard is priced at over $14,000, and the Hendo hoverboard launched at nearly $10,000, both offering significantly less functionality and shorter flight durations. In contrast, Tesla's Hoverboard is anticipated to provide enhanced battery performance, autonomous safety features, multi-terrain adaptability, and comprehensive AI integration, characteristics typically associated with high-end electric vehicles, now compacted into a personal transport solution. Tesla's strategy of vertical integration and in-house battery development is expected to yield cost efficiencies that competitors may struggle to achieve, particularly for devices that lift off the ground and operate at speeds exceeding those of traditional wheeled alternatives. For Tesla's forthcoming hoverboard to achieve widespread acceptance, especially among users who prioritize safety, it must not only comply with current industry standards. Hoverboards inherently require users to maintain their balance while hovering, which can be particularly challenging for beginners or older riders. Therefore, the Tesla Hoverboard should be equipped with advanced stabilization features. Ideally, it would leverage Tesla's highly responsive autopilot system, which is adept at navigating complex driving conditions. A hoverboard utilizing a similar adaptive algorithm, supported by a sophisticated combination of gyroscopes, accelerometers, and magnetic levitation sensors, could continuously monitor and adjust to the rider's posture. The environments where hoverboards are likely to be used, urban sidewalks, public parks and residential streets, are often unpredictable. To address this, Tesla can adapt the LiDAR and radar technologies utilized in its electric vehicles. These systems could be integrated into the hoverboard to detect pedestrians, obstacles, or changes in surface conditions, allowing for appropriate responses. For instance, if a dog or child unexpectedly crosses the rider's path, the hoverboard could react accordingly. The hoverboard must possess the capability to decelerate or perform a gentle emergency landing autonomously. In terms of emergency protocols, Tesla's hoverboard should feature a specific autonomous landing mode for instances where control is compromised or a malfunction arises. This mode would facilitate a gradual descent, enabling the rider to dismount safely. Additionally, a fail-safe battery cutoff system should be implemented to avert issues such as overheating, electrical surges, or uncontrolled acceleration, problems that have affected earlier models in the market. To enhance safety further, Tesla could incorporate AI-driven monitoring that detects hazardous riding behaviors and provides real-time alerts to the user. Whether it involves leaning excessively forward or navigating dangerous terrain, such a system could issue timely warnings, assisting the rider in maintaining safety and control. Once safety issues are sufficiently resolved, the next critical aspect in assessing a new transportation device, like the Tesla Hoverboard, is its performance. While the ability to hover is revolutionary, the device must also demonstrate functionality, efficiency, and impressive capabilities in real-world conditions. Given Tesla's established reputation for high-performing electric vehicles that offer extended range, rapid acceleration, and exceptional energy efficiency, expectations for the hoverboard's performance across these metrics are understandably elevated. The core of any electric-powered device is its battery, and Tesla's proprietary 4,680 battery cells have already shown their effectiveness in models such as the Model S and the Cybertruck. These cylindrical cells are recognized for their high energy density, rapid charging capabilities, and long lifespan. If Tesla integrates these battery cells into the hoverboard, riders can anticipate a significant enhancement in flight duration compared to existing alternatives on the market. A single charge providing 20 to 30 minutes of continuous flight would render the hoverboard a practical choice for urban commuters covering short distances, as well as for recreational users in parks and open spaces. The charging process for the hoverboard should be swift and efficient, ideally completed within 45 minutes, akin to Tesla's supercharging technology. In contrast to current leading hoverboard models, such as the Arcaboard and Hendo Hoverboard, which offer only 6 to 15 minutes of flight time and require prolonged charging, Tesla's proposed specifications would represent a substantial advancement in the market. Regarding propulsion, Tesla is expected to utilize a series of compact yet powerful electric fans, potentially numbering up to 36, to produce a combined thrust of 200 kilograms or more. This capability would adequately support riders weighing up to 243 pounds, broadening its appeal to adult users. The thrust system must not only elevate the device, but also ensure a stable and energy-efficient flight path. even in varying environmental conditions. Speed is another critical performance metric, particularly for individuals seeking to replace electric scooters or bicycles for their daily travel. The Tesla Hoverboard should achieve speeds of 15 to 20 miles per hour, 24 to 32 kilometers per h, making it competitive with most premium scooters. While maximum speed is significant, the smoothness of acceleration and deceleration is equally vital, facilitating intuitive and responsive control in busy urban environments. Terrain adaptability is likely to be one of Tesla's key innovations in this sector. Unlike most existing hoverboards that struggle on surfaces other than perfectly flat ground, Tesla's implementation of magnetic levitation could enable seamless travel over gravel, brick, light grass, or uneven pavement. Additionally, the hoverboard's propulsion system may dynamically adjust to accommodate surface resistance or gradient, ensuring a smoother ride on inclined or rough terrain. Wind conditions can significantly affect the performance of hoverboards. Therefore, Tesla should focus on developing a model that can operate safely and efficiently in moderate winds of up to 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per h. This capability would elevate the hoverboard from a niche gadget to a dependable everyday mode of electric transportation that performs well in various real-world scenarios. Usability, particularly ease of use and accessibility, is another critical factor to consider when assessing the potential impact of Tesla's hoverboard in the personal transportation market. While advanced technology and futuristic features may draw interest, the true success of this product, Tesla has a history of balancing innovation with user-friendliness, and the hoverboard must uphold this tradition. To facilitate widespread adoption, the design should prioritize user-friendly controls. Instead of intricate joystick mechanisms or remote-operated systems, Tesla should implement a balance-based control model, where leaning forward accelerates and leaning backward decelerates or stops. This approach aligns with natural body movements and reduces the learning curve. Ideally, the control system would utilize Tesla's proprietary AI to provide real-time responsiveness to subtle changes in the rider's weight or posture. Similar to how Tesla's electric vehicles adapt to a driver's habits, the hoverboard could modify its sensitivity based on the user's comfort level, ensuring an intuitive experience within just a few minutes of use. To facilitate a smoother transition for novice users, Tesla could implement an AI-assisted training mode. This feature would gradually introduce riders to the basic operations by incrementally increasing speed limits, while simultaneously monitoring their posture through integrated sensors. Subtle haptic feedback or visual prompts from a companion mobile application could offer real-time adjustments, such as reminding riders to shift their weight forward for improved balance or notifying them when their stance becomes unstable. Such AI-driven enhancements would significantly alleviate the intimidation factor that often deters older or less agile individuals from embracing these devices. Equally vital to the hoverboard's practicality for daily use are comfort and design. A compact and lightweight frame, likely reinforced with carbon fiber to maintain a total weight around 18 kilograms, would ensure durability without being unwieldy. Tesla's design team would need to focus on creating ergonomically shaped footpads, a built-in beginner mode that limits speed and provides guided tutorials through the Tesla app could make the initial ride feel both safe and empowering. The hoverboard might also feature automatic calibration to accommodate a rider's height and weight, further enhancing balance and responsiveness from the moment they step on. Ultimately, the usability of the hoverboard will determine whether it remains a mere novelty or evolves into a staple of modern urban mobility. If Tesla successfully integrates its technological innovation into a product that is user-friendly, comfortable, and safe for a broad audience, can we truly rely on AI and autonomous systems to ensure our safety while flying just inches above the ground at 20 miles per hour? Thank you for watching our video. If you wish to discover more intriguing information about Tesla's electric vehicles or the Tesla bot, please remember to like and share this video. Additionally, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to stay updated with our latest content. We appreciate your support and look forward to your presence in our next video. Goodbye.